Exercise number 12H. Question number 1 E. Y equal 12x square 3x 3x plus 8 dy over dx is 12 times 24x plus 3. Then d square y over dx square equal 24. This is 8 0 and this is 0. Differentiation 0. So d square over dx square is 24. Part B. Y equal 15x plus 6 plus 3 over x. So this is going to be y equal 15x plus 6 plus 3. I'll bring x to the numerator. Now y equal 15 dy over dx. Then 15 plus this is 0 and 3 times minus x minus 2. So dy over dx is 15 minus 3x minus x2. D square over dx square equal, this is become 0. So minus 3 minus 2 times x minus 3, which is 6x minus 3. dy over dx is 9 half x minus half 3. I'll rewrite this one 9x half 3x minus 2. I bring x square to numerator. Now minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3. So dy over dx is 9 over 2 x minus half plus 6 x minus 3. So now d square over dx square. Again let's differentiate 9 over 2 minus half x minus 3 over 2. Minus half a minus 1 minus 3 over 2. So then 6 times minus 3 x minus 4. So this is going to be minus 9 over 4 x minus 3 over 2 minus 18 x minus 4. So we can write like this. Now minus 9 over 4 x 3 over 2 minus 18 x over 4. We want to expand this one first of all. So this is going to be 15x square minus 10x plus 12x minus 8. So 5x times 3x, 15x square minus 10x minus plus 12x minus 8. So answer is y equal plus 2x minus 8. Now dy over dx is 30x plus 2. D square over dx square is 30. So y equal 3x plus 8 over x square. So dy over, okay, we have to simplify this one first. y equal 3x over x square plus 8 over x square. Then y equal this x to x cancel out. 3 over x plus 8 over x square. So y equal 3x minus 1 plus 8x minus 2. Now dy over dx is 3 minus 1 x minus 2, then 8 minus 2 x minus 3. So this is dy over dx is minus 3x minus 2 plus minus 16x minus 3. Now dy over dx I will rewrite minus 3x minus 2 minus 16x minus 3, then d square y over dx square is minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 minus 16 minus 3x minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus nx n minus 1. So this is going to be d square y over dx square equal 6x minus 2, 3 times 2 plus, and this is plus, this is 40x minus 4. Now d square y over dx square is 6 over x cubed plus 48 over x4. Question number 2. The displacement of a particle in a meters at the time t second is modeled by the function. So this is modeled by, let me write, t square plus 2 over square root t. So we know that if it is x and y, this is dy over dx. I discussed this on somewhere. This is t and y, then dy over dt. So this is ft and t, then this is dft over dt, which is f dash t, f prime t, usually with the prime. Right, so this is in f. Now we'll simplify as usual. Ft is t square over t half 2 over t half, which is 2. When you take 0.5 out, what is the answer? 1.5. 2 take away half mean 0.5, 1.5 mean 3 over 2. Then this is 2 times t minus half. If I explain this one, half, this is 2 times t minus half, t 2 minus half, that is t 3 over 2. Now this is ft, now f dash t or f prime t. So this is 3 over 2 to 3 2 minus 1 plus 2 times minus half to minus 1 minus 1. So this is going to be 3 over 2 t half plus, this is going to be 2 to 2 cancel out, and this is going to be minus t minus 3 over 2. Now f dash t, f prime t, I will rewrite 3 over 2 t half minus t minus 3 over 2. Now this is f double dash or d square by dt. We differentiate one more time. 3 over 2 half times t minus half minus 3, this minus 3 over 2 t minus 3 2 minus 1, which is minus 5 over 2. Yeah, this is half minus 1 minus half. So this is 3 over 4 t minus half plus 3 over 2 t minus 5 over 2. So this is 3 over 4 t half plus 3 over 2 t 5 over 2. This is also, you can write 3 4 t square root this one, and this is 2 t half times 5. So t 5 over 2 I can write same this one. So t half mean 1 square root t. Ft is the distance. So when you do when you differentiate distance, you will get the velocity. This is velocity. When you differentiate velocity, you will get acceleration. So this is f double prime mean acceleration. So this is acceleration. So this is velocity. We know that from physics, distance divided by time, displacement divided by time, you will get v. V divided by time velocity, you will get a. The same thing here. V mean d, whatever the function, let's say y or ft over dt, which is you refer as f prime t, and then this one d over dt again from t f dash t, which is going to be f double prime t. Like this it is clear. So v equal dy over dt. So y is the distance, x something, sorry, t square plus 2t, let's say. So graph is t and y. If graph is t and a, then dA over dt. Then a equal dv over dt. So this value you are differentiate with dt again. So a equal d over dt. What is v value? So we have to put bracket this one. What is v? V mean dA over dt. So then this is d square a over dt square. So dt this one, dt square. So this is d mean displacement divided by time, velocity. Velocity divided by time, acceleration. The same thing. We write dA over dt. A mean the distance. Oh, I will write like this one more time. So displacement is capital D. Let's see, take. So then it is good. So velocity equal capital D divided by t. We can write so velocity equal d over dt. And then acceleration mean v over t. So this is acceleration dv over dt. Now what is v? D over dt. V mean d over dt. So then this is d over square d over dt square. Question number 3. d square y over dx square given they given y. So 2x minus 3 to the power 3. Now find the value of x. D square y over dx square equals 0. So this is a equation. So we want to find d square y over dx square and we want to tell that this is equal to 0. We'll do that. So y equal now plus minus 3 I write. So I'm going to put the binomial, that's why I write this form. Then 3 2x, okay, 2x cube minus 3 0. 3 is 1, 2x square minus 3 1, 3 2x minus 3 1 square. Okay. 3 2 then 1. Another one is 3 3, that is 2x 0. And we discussed this kind of lot. Okay. And we know first value is also 1, always 1. The last also 1. Then this one is 3, second one. 1 before last also 3. Then we need to find. So this is 2x cube mean 8x cube. This is power is 1. So that is 8. So this is 3. This is 4x square times minus 3. I write as it is. This is plus this is 2x times 9. And this is 1 times this is 1 times this is 27. So 8x cube. So this is minus 9 times 4 36. X square. This is 9 times 2 18 times 3. Or 3 times 2 6. 6 times 9 54 x. And actually this is minus. This has to be minus. Minus 3 times minus 3 times minus. So this is minus 27. Now, so this is finally we found out y. Now we'll find dy over dx. This is going to be 3 times 8 24 x square 36 times 2 72 72 x plus 54 and this is become 0. I got this one because 8 times 3 x square 8 times 2 20. That's how I take out to this one. And then d square y over dx square. So this is going to be 48x minus 72. Now we found out this one. And now this is equal to what? 0. We'll work out now. D square y over d square equals 0. Hence 48x minus 72 equals 0. X equals 72 over 48. So this is going to be 16 times 3. We can go with 24. So 24 times 2, this is 24 times 3. X value is 3 over 2. So question number 4, this is given. Apart from that, they will tell that when x equal to if double dash x double prime x is minus 1. So what is the meaning of that? When x equal to f double prime x is minus 1, it means f double prime 2 is minus 1 when x equal to. So we'll find f double prime x, then let's put 2 and then make it equal to minus 1. So this is the equation we'll substitute. Now we'll find f prime x equal 3 px square minus 6px plus 2x, and f double prime x is, this is going to be 6px minus 6p plus 2. Now I'll substitute 2 f double prime 2, so this is going to be 6p2 minus 6p plus 2. I instead of put 2, then this is going to be 12p minus 6p plus 2. This is 12 minus p, 6p plus 2. Now we'll substitute here. So 6p plus 2 equal minus 1. Then 6p equal minus 3 plus 2 to other side. P equal minus 3 over 6, which is minus half.